Road trip!
Yep, we're going on a road trip.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
There's actually gas in the car and I planned. I've got snacks, I've got drinks, I've got a podcast, I've got music. So Miley Cyrus's Plastic Hearts album.
Let's talk about it.
I like it a lot. I think she's fun, but I wasn't obsessed until I tried listening to it on a road trip.
Plastic Hearts is made for road tripping.
The whole thing, the whole album is gold on an open road through California.
It's pretty good.
Then I've got some more music and stuff to make driving better. If you want like a road trip playlist, then comment below, let me know. Anyway, let's get going.
Hot! And I really need a pee-pee break, so hopefully this place will let me use the bathroom. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do.
What's the plan today? We're driving to the desert. We're going to go see some Joshua trees and rocks and stuff. It's gonna be good. The only thing is I am kind of having some doubts. I don't really know if this is a good idea. I'm actually definitely kind of having some doubts. I decided last night at 10:30 p.m. to go to Joshua Tree today. So I woke up today at 5:30 a.m. for this. And I don't even know if they're going to let me in. I don't know if you have to buy tickets in advance. I really should have planned this better, like done more research, done something, done more planning. But I didn't. I mean, I should have at least like not decided to do this so last minute, but it is what it is. It's happening. I'm already on the road, so I'm kind of committed. I'm a little stressed, not gonna lie. What if I go all that way and they don't let me in and I have to just turn around and go home? You know what? It's going to be fine. It's going to be okay. If it all goes wrong, I can always improvise and find something new to do, right?
Anyway,
Let's get back on the road. I hope I have my hand sanitizer. Thank God. Yeah, I just want to get there safely and have no technical problems with my music. I just noticed I have a pretty poopy car right now. Like, it's covered in bird poop and I really need to wash it and take care of it and make it look nice. But I'm not going to do that right now in the middle of a road trip, so that can wait until I get home. Windshields are dirty, there's bird poop on the car. It's not a big deal, it's going to be fine. I'll take care of it when I get home, like after this weekend. I'm almost there. I'm like half an hour away, and then I'll still have like 4 or 5 hours at Joshua Tree National Park before I need to go like check into my hotel. I just have to wait in the drive-thru for a little bit, get some food, eat, and then I think we're only like 15 or 20 minutes out from the national park. So that's super cool and I'm ready for it. I hope I'm gonna make this turn. I think I'm coming in a little tight. Yikes. I should probably get gas. I don't know if I should get gas before I go to the park or just get it after on the way out. I don't know why I have a mask on to order. They're not going to be able to understand anything. Hi. Can I just get a chicken burrito and do you have Coke Zero?
Yes. You want that classic chicken burrito?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what size Coke Zero?
Like a medium.
Okay. Is that all for you today?
That's all.
7:05 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hot sauce would be great. Cool, thank you. know what's so weird? I can't go to Del Taco without thinking of Frankie from Grace and Frankie. That was a great show. I love Frankie. I don't know if I've had one of their chicken burritos. Well, that first bite was kind of just tortilla, but it will get better. I know it has chicken in it and it's not vegan. I tried being vegan. It didn't work out for me. And I really wanted to be vegan. I was vegetarian for a few years and then like a very strict dogmatic vegan for like 8 months. I don't know, a long time.
So I committed. I really tried.
But those days are gone. I mean, I still eat like a lot of plants, but I don't think I'll ever be like a really strict vegan again. I think it's a great choice. Like, it's obviously better for the planet, better for the animals, but it just didn't work out for me. We don't have to get into it now. I wanted it to work, it didn't work out. So this is just who I am now. You know, not being vegan, I mean, it sucked because I wanted that to be my life and like take care of the environment and take care of the animals and all of it, the whole thing, but it didn't work out and it's not the worst thing in the world. I don't know, my past self would probably hate and judge my present self for that. You can draw your own conclusions from that, I guess. But you know, I really think the present is an improvement. I'm definitely a lot happier now in general. I mean, not just about food choices. This is kind of turning into therapy, so I'm gonna just eat this and keep driving. I have hot sauce. Wait, this is ketchup. I thought I was getting hot sauce. It's all ketchup. I'm not gonna put ketchup on a burrito. Ew. You know what? It's fine. It doesn't need anything. It's good the way it is. Wait, I think I got the wrong... I'm like this far into it and there's no chicken. It's just like a bean and cheese burrito.
I'm vegan again!
Oh, no, it still has cheese. It's not bad. It's pretty okay for fast food. I just saw the sign and remembered that they have Beyond Tacos. I should just get Beyond Tacos every time I road trip and then everyone wins. Hi, are there any good hiking trails that are easy to get to?
Yeah. So I only suggest hiking around a mile right now because it's so hot. You don't want to do, you know, a really long hike.
Yeah.
I would try either the Barker Dam or the Hidden Valley Trail. Both of them are 1 mile with large parking lots.
Okay, cool.
So in about 8 miles, you're going to see like some really, really big rocks. That's where they're going to be.
That sounds cool. That sounds like a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We're here. We did it. We made it. The road trip was a success. It was super last minute. It was super spontaneous, kind of spur of the moment, and it worked out. I'm super happy about it. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It was fun. You know what? The road trip was pretty good.